It is actually the most common past tense used in French. Le passé composé is made up of the auxiliary verb conjugated in the present tense. So the first part of that passé composé equation is Bonjour, bonjour! I'm Kashi and this is Let Us Learn French. Today, we conjugate the verbs être, avoir, and aller, three of the most important verbs in French, in le passé composé. We've conjugated those verbs in the present tense, as well as regular verbs in le passé composé before, so you can check those out. But today we talk about le passé composé, which is a very important tense in French. It is actually the most common past tense used in French. It is a compound tense, which means that it is made up of an auxiliary verb and a past participle. If the terms compound tense, auxiliary verb, and past participle sound confusing to you right now, make sure you watch this video first before watching this one. This will give you half of the material and background to be able to conjugate verbs in le passé composé. So I said a compound tense is made up of an auxiliary verb and a participe passé, but le passé composé is made up of the auxiliary verb conjugated in the present tense as well as a participe passé or past participle. So the second half of the material or background that you need to be able to conjugate verbs in le passé composé is from this video up here about conjugating the verbs être and avoir in the present tense. So make sure to watch those two videos first before continuing with this one. Now, let's start by conjugating the verb avoir in le passé composé. Not surprisingly, the verb avoir uses l'auxiliaire avoir. So the first part of that passé composé equation is the auxiliary verb in the present tense. So let's add that. And the second part is le participe passé or past participle of the verb avoir. And the past participle of the verb avoir is eu. So we add that. And together that makes le passé composé. Yes, it's that simple. Okay, so let's go through the list. J'ai eu, tu as eu, il a eu, elle a eu, on a eu, nous avons eu, vous avez eu, ils ont eu, elles ont eu. Yay! So that was already avoir in the passé composé. 1 out of 3 out of the way. Now let's look at the verb être in le passé composé. This one is a little bit surprising because we actually use l'auxiliaire avoir to conjugate the verb être. So we use l'auxiliaire avoir in the present tense to conjugate the verb être in le passé composé. Let's look at it. Let's actually build this equation. I don't know why I keep calling it an equation, it just sounds pretty fun. L'auxiliaire avoir in the present tense is, and the participe passé or past participle of the verb être is était. So we add that, and that makes the passé composé of the verb être. Let's go through the list to see how we pronounce it. J'ai été, tu as été, il a été, elle a été, on a été, nous avons été, vous avez été, ils ont été, elles ont été. If it's hard to remember that we have to use l'auxiliaire avoir with the verb être, you can think of it in English. We say I have been. So to be is être and have is l'auxiliaire avoir. We've tackled 2 out of those 3 verbs. Now let's look at aller in le passé composé. Aller actually uses l'auxiliaire être. So let's build that equation again with the auxiliary verb first. So, je suis, tu es, il est, etc. Now we add le participe passé de aller, which is like this, to make le passé composé of the verb aller. Let's go through it together. Je suis allé, tu es allé, il est allé, elle est allée, on est allé, nous sommes allés, vous êtes allés, ils sont allés, elles sont allées. You might have noticed that in this case, the past participle agrees with gender and number. So, elles sont allées has an ES. Elle est allée has an E. Nous sommes allés, vous êtes allés has an S. If you have l'auxiliaire être, the past participle agrees in gender and number, like it's the case here. If you have l'auxiliaire avoir, it only agrees with gender and number if the COD is placed before the verb. If the COD is after the verb, or if there is no COD, then the participe passé does not change. If you don't know what a COD is, refer to this video up here or in the description below about COD and COE, and also refer to this video about conjugating regular group 1 and group 2 verbs in le passé composé. I also give an example of making the past participle agree with gender and number when there is auxiliaire avoir in this video. Now, comment down below a sentence with the verb être, avoir or aller conjugated in le passé composé. My sentence is Marie est allée à la plage. What is your sentence? Let me know in the comments below. If you got value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. But while you're waiting for that new video to come out, you can watch those videos in the meantime. Also, make sure to share this video with your family and friends who also want to learn French, and follow us on Instagram at Let Us Learn French Official, where we give you a new French word of the day every single day. Thank you so much for staying until the end. I'll see you next Sunday. Take care.